Cordless sticks promise speed and simplicity, but they aren't all chasing the same goal. Dyson is chasing maximum pickup, fine dust visibility, and filtration that keeps the air cleaner than it started. Bissell aims for real-life convenience and value, especially for pet hair and mixed messes, including options that scrub and vacuum at once. Let me explain how that plays out when a living room full of grit and hair puts both brands to the test. Cleaning performance. Dyson's top sticks like V15 Detect and the Gen 5 line focus on strong suction, carpet agitation, and fine dust pickup on hard floors, which is why they tend to top independent testing charts for deep cleaning across surfaces. The combination of high airflow and well-designed floor heads means fewer passes, better edge reach, and more dirt in the bin rather than left in the pile. Bissell's dry-only sticks can be perfectly competent with crumbs, pet hair, and everyday debris, but their signature wins often show up in wet-dry models, such as crosswave variants that wash and vacuum hard floors in a single pass. Great for sticky spills, not a substitute for carpet deep clean. Hard floors. Dyson's laser-equipped fluffy heads are almost unfair on hard floors because seeing the dust makes it easier to remove it in one deliberate path. The motorized heads also resist snow plowing larger debris by channeling pieces up the intake rather than pushing them forward. Bissell's wet-dry offerings change the conversation. If there are dried coffee stains, tracked-in mud, or puppy accidents, a crosswave-style head can mop and vacuum simultaneously and leave the surface cleaner than a vacuum-only pass. If the mess is dry, Dyson wins. If it's sticky or liquid, a Bissell wet-dry wins on convenience. Carpet and rugs. This is Dyson's home turf. The combination of bristle design, torque sensing, or auto-adjust suction, and consistent airflow translates to embedded grit removal that extends the life of carpet. On dense area rugs and wall-to-wall, Dyson's higher-end models pull more fine dust and hair during a single session, reaching what many people would call deep clean without a cord. Bissell's standard sticks will tidy rugs and pick up hair, but they don't usually match the same deep extraction punch on medium and high-pile carpets. Pet hair. Dyson's anti-tangle bars and hair screw tools do a strong job of preventing wrap on both floors and upholstery, which cuts down on maintenance. The high suction also helps lift hair from fabric weave in couches or car seats where it likes to cling. Bissell fights back with pet-focused attachments and smart head geometry on several models, and in day-to-day use, they do fine with shed hair on hard floors and low-pile rugs. If the household includes heavy shedders and lots of fabric, Dyson's motorized mini tools and stronger airflow tend to win the stubborn hair battles. Filtration and air quality. If anyone in the home is sensitive to dust or pollen, Dyson's sealed HEPA-level systems are a real advantage. They capture fine particulates and keep them in the bin, and the better models display particle counts to prove it. That sealed design matters after the pass, not just during it, because less microdust blows back into the room. Bissell offers filtration that's good enough for most homes, but the top-end HEPA-sealed consistency across Dyson's lineup is still a selling point for allergy concerns. Battery and runtime. Dyson's premium models stretch runtime in eco modes and hold their own in medium power, with some variants offering larger batteries or dual battery kits. That means doing a whole floor without white-knuckling the power trigger or recharging mid-session. Bissell's sticks typically deliver shorter runtimes per battery, which is fine for apartments and small to mid-size homes, but the gap shows for bigger spaces where sustained suction at higher power is required. For wet-dry units, runtime trade-offs are expected because they're spinning rollers and moving solution. Weight and ergonomics. Dyson's motors and batteries aren't featherweight, so the handle can feel heavier than budget sticks, though the balance is good in use and the heads glide easily. The newer Dyson models with push-button power instead of a hold trigger reduce fatigue during long sessions. Bissell often feels a touch lighter in hand, and some models stand on their own, which is handy for pauses without docking, especially in tight spaces. For quick pickups multiple times a day, that stand-up pause can be a quality-of-life perk. Tools and versatility. Dyson's accessory ecosystem is deep. Crevice tools that actually reach, anti-tangle pet tools that really work, and floor heads tailored to different tasks. That breadth means one machine tackles floors, stairs, cars, vents, and sofas with minimal compromise. Bissell's tools focus on practical, high-use items: pet turbo brushes, upholstery tools, easy empty bins, enough for everyday tasks without turning the closet into a vacuum armory. If the plan includes a lot of above-floor cleaning, Dyson's kit breadth is worth it. Maintenance and ownership. Emptying a Dyson bin is clean and controlled, and the washable filters last if rinsed as directed. The heads resist hair wrap better than earlier generations, which keeps performance more consistent between cleans. Bissell parts are widely available and replacement costs are often lower, which matters for households that are tough on gear. Wet-dry Bissells require extra care, cleaning the brush roll, emptying the dirty tank, and preventing odors. It's an extra 5-minute routine, but it's the price of mopping and vacuuming in one pass. Price and value. Dyson charges more, full stop. The return is stronger pickup, better filtration, longer runtimes, and smarter heads, things that translate into cleaner floors with less effort over years of use. Bissell wins the sensible spend. Argument for many buyers who want reliable cleanup at a friendly price, especially if there's interest in wet-dry flexibility for kitchens and entryways. If the budget is fixed under premium territory, Bissell can hit the sweet spot without the guilt. Reliability and support. Dyson's warranty and service network are generally strong at the premium level, with broad parts availability and clear maintenance guidance. Firmware and feature updates aren't a thing for most vacuums, but Dyson's generational improvements do trickle down over time in heads and seals. Bissell's advantage is mass-market ubiquity. Accessories and consumables are easy to find at local stores, and support is straightforward. When replacements or brush rolls are needed quickly, that can be the difference between cleaning today and waiting for a delivery. Who should pick Dyson? If the home has mixed floors with meaningful carpet, allergy sensitivities, or pets that shed into fabric, Dyson is the safer long-term bet. The deep clean capability means less invisible grit grinding into carpet fibers, and the filtration keeps fine dust out of lungs and off surfaces. If time matters more than money, the faster, more complete clean pays for itself every week. Who should pick Bissell? If the space is mostly hard floors, the budget is tighter, and there's a steady stream of spills and sticky spots, Bissell's wet-dry cordless lineup is incredibly practical. Even for dry-only sticks, if the cleaning routine is quick, frequent touch-ups rather than marathon sessions, the value proposition is hard to ignore. Pet owners who prioritize price and straightforward usability will be satisfied with Bissell's pet-focused trims. Model guidance. For Dyson, the V15 Detect remains the balanced buy. Strong suction, laser hard floor visibility, auto suction adjustment, HEPA filtration, and sensible runtime without climbing to the highest price tier. If the home is large or the goal is maximum runtime and capacity, look at Gen 5 variants or the outsize versions with bigger bins and optional second batteries. For Bissell, consider whether wet-dry is a need or a want. If it's a need, kitchens, kids, pets, shortlist a Crosswave Cordless. If it's a want and the focus is dry debris, pick a Bissell stick with a motorized pet head, good battery spec, and a bin that's easy to empty without mess. Bottom line, pick Dyson for best-in-class cleaning performance, filtration, and accessory flexibility that makes one vacuum feel like three. Pick Bissell for budget-friendlier sticks or for the wet-dry advantage that no Dyson stick offers. If deep cleaning carpets and breathing cleaner air matter most, Dyson is worth the money. If the day-to-day is about pet hair, crumbs, and the occasional spill, Bissell's practicality wins the real-life test.